Storm Darragh has caused significant disruptions across the UK, with 90 miles per hour winds leading to power outages, uprooted trees, and widespread cancellations of events and travel plans. In light of these events, Crown Tree Surgeons is here to assist with the aftermath of storm-damaged trees. Our team of certified arborists specialises in safely removing fallen trees, assessing and treating damaged ones, and providing preventive care to minimise future storm impacts. Our services include emergency tree removal, rapid response to safely clear fallen or hazardous trees, damage assessment, professional evaluation of tree health and structural integrity post-storm, preventive care, pruning and maintenance to strengthen trees against future storms. Why choose Crown Tree Surgeons?
Expertise, decades of experience in managing storm-related tree damage.
Safety first. Adherence to the highest safety standards to protect your property and loved ones. 24/7 availability, ready to respond promptly to emergencies, day or night. Don't let storm damage compromise your safety or property value. Contact Crown Tree Surgeons today for a free consultation and let us restore your landscape to its full glory. Call us now at 0208 8503 839. Stay safe and trust Crown Tree Surgeons to handle all your storm damaged tree needs.